Alright guys, we're out here, got the MMX 8S in it, perfect pass installed, running on a 6S China hobby line, and I have upped it to a 36 tooth pinion with the stock 39 tooth spool gear. I hope I got the perfect pass calibrated correctly. But we're going to send it down the road and see if we can break 106 with this dude right now. Okay. Let's see. Zeroed out. Tracking. All right, guys, here we go. That seemed pretty good. We'll see here in just a second. The one to pull left again. All right, guys, let's see how fast she went. Hopefully we broke the 106 mark. 110, guys. 110. That's awesome. All right. Let's check the temperatures real fast. I already hear the ESC fan is not on, so the ESC is not hot. 111, 107 up here at the front. Mesh is good. Check the voltage on this battery. Oh yeah, just got another run in her, guys. It's a little bit hard to see down there at the other end of the road. I'm going to turn this off, or turn it down a little bit on the perfect pass, so there's not quite as much of a delay, because my road's a little bit short. See if that helps any. Feels kind of weird there, guys. Tracking. Okay. Alright guys. Just lost a wheel. Just lost a wheel, had to drive it off into the grass, guys. So let's run up there and get it. Yep. The whole foam came off. Had to pull it off the side of the road, guys, because the foam blew off the tire there, as you can see. Well, that was 98 miles an hour. So first run 110, second run was 98, and that's blowing the foam off of it. All right guys, got the car retrieved, and as you can see, it blew a foam completely off the wheel. Not sure why. Maybe it was just bad glue, but I've ran these foams 110 miles an hour now twice, and they held together, but you know, it may have broke loose and got the wheel speed way up there. I don't know. Anyway, it didn't crash. I just eased it off the side of the road and went and got it. So not bad at all. The run before that, this was a 98 mile an hour run. It was like 98 miles an hour when the tire came off. So 110, the run right before that. So we're getting there, guys. We'll get this perfect pass dialed in. Probably gonna need to order a better battery. This battery's not bad, but two of the cells don't charge up quite as much as the other ones. So you know, that could be an issue, or is an issue, I'm sure. So anyhow, guys, thanks for watching, guys. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, think about subscribing. Give me a like, guys. Certainly helps the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.